Welcome back guys on How Today. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I will show you how you can fix your mouse cursor not going up or down. So this will be a really quick one guys. So go to Control Panel and on the top right corner set it to small icons. And we will find the mouse icon here. And first things first, if the speed is set to slow, we will need to set it up slightly more than on the half. So it should be closer to fast rather to slow. Once you have done that part, guys, we will see here some pointer options and we will continue to the wheel part. So if it is set by default like this, guys, you will need to add up some numbers. So on the first vertical scrolling, we will set up 5, and on the horizontal scrolling, we will set up 4. Then click on apply and then OK, and that should fix your problem, guys. I will now return mine to 3 and 3 because that is the way my mouse really works. And basically, guys, that is it. I hope this was a useful tutorial for you and see you in the next one also. Bye.